very important thing I want you to take note of. First of all, I touched the fa. Secondly, I used 3 fingers. This video we are working on the right hand and not on the left hand, but if you notice all the videos we've been working on the right hand, I always use 2 fingers on the left. But now we are no longer ever going to use 2 fingers again. We are always going to use 3. The reason is, if you keep using 2 fingers, practicing breaking chords on your left hand will be difficult because your hand is not used to being this wide. So because you are not using the full chord as 3 fingers, when you're practicing your right hand, your hand doesn't get used to playing this wide, and when you try playing broken chord, you miss this, you go play this instead, or you overstretch it and play that. So get used to playing block chord with 3, so that when you try playing broken chords, your hand already knows where to land. So we're no longer going to play 2 fingers on our left hand again, as it is. And secondly, I used the fa note in my improvisation. That was because I was on my fa chord. I know I said the fa and the T cannot be used in the improvisation in pentatonic scale, but if you're on your fa chord, you're allowed to press fa, and if you're on your T, you're allowed to press the T chord, so the T note. So I'll do it again. I'm going to the fa now. Exactly, you can use it. But the main task in this lesson is no longer two note chord on your left hand. It is now always 3. So that when you start doing this, your hand will be wide enough for that. Please and please stop using 2. For anything you're playing now, always use 3, so that your hand will learn how to cram and assume that wideness that is necessary for further level in this course. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next level.